I actually think we have everything to make pancakes. Warm, fluffy stack of fresh and new pancakes.
I'll be the first to admit it. Pancakes are one of my favorite breakfasts, but it's not just about the taste, it's what they represent. They're the pause buttons on our busy lives. A chance to slow down, gather loved ones, and create memories. Sun peeking through the windows, the scent of vanilla and butter mingles in the air, hands reaching for syrup, clinking forks, and sticky fingers. To some, pancakes might just be eggs, milk, and flour. But they're also warmth, connection, and magic. So I just wanted to give a gentle reminder that even in the hustle of adulthood, there is some room for sweetness. I don't know if they're meant to look like that. I think I made my pancake batter a little too thin, but it's alright because they are mine, and I am glad that I have the courage to create, to fail, and to nourish not only my body but also my mind. So there I stand, spatula in hand, ready to flip another pancake. Imperfect perhaps, but it's undeniably mine. Once I used up all of the batter, I stacked up my freshly made pancakes and I topped it with some homemade lemon curd, some frozen strawberries and bananas, and of course some vanilla yogurt. And I gotta admit, it ended up looking pretty good, even if there were some burnt bits of pancake. Right after breakfast, I quickly tidied up because my sisters were coming over to make a really cute craft to make the place more mine. And then before you knew it, lunch was here. Correct me if I'm wrong, but hot dogs are a quintessential summer delight. Fresh off the sizzling grill, they evoke memories of just warm days. Some of my favorite foods that capture the essence of summer are watermelon, ice cream, corn on the cob, lemonade. Comment below your favorite summer foods.
Supper, we're gonna be making some tofu. I got this extra firm.
A lot of people might be wondering, why on earth would I be eating tofu? I'm certainly not a vegetarian. I love pepperoni pizza, hamburgers, Philly cheesesteaks, beef stew, and hot dogs. And I'm gonna be honest, the cost was a really big influence. Tofu is generally less expensive than meat. A pound of ground beef can cost from $6, and tofu is only $3 per pound. I also like the idea that eating tofu has a positive impact on the environment. Tofu requires less water than beef production. Tofu has a significantly lower carbon footprint and it emits fewer greenhouse gases. Tofu production uses less land. And another silly little reason I like cooking with tofu, well, is because it's already cooked. I don't have to worry about it reaching an internal temperature. I don't have to worry about getting sick from eating raw meat. And it's generally quicker to cook with. So we're going to just be simply crisping up the tofu on all the sides, and then we're going to add a little bit of a sauce. There's some soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, vinegar, and just cook it all up. I'm going to be plating this with some rice, sliced cucumber, corn, and it did make a lot of dishes for such an easy meal, but that's okay. Thinking, and the tofu is a little burnt, but let's see my face. I was trying to decide if I liked it, and I thought it was pretty good, but I don't know if I would make it necessarily again this exact way. Please comment below if you make any tofu recipes. I would love to know what you guys do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you ate something delicious today. Please subscribe if you like these types of videos. Bye bye!